Okay. Yeah. A little bigger than I was expecting. I was expecting this to fit comfortably on my desk, but not really. In this box should be the TARION, is it PB-01? Can't remember the exact name of the backpack. It is a probably top end of the budget range camera backpack, which is supposed to be very big, has a lot of storage capacity, yet also should be able to fit on airlines as a cabin bag, which is exactly what I need for travelling without having to pay loads for a hold bag and stuff if I'm just going for 5 days or whatever, like I did to the Netherlands. Also, it is 10 PM right now, so if I 1 look tired and 2 I'm speaking a bit quietly, that is the reason why. I've also been at work all day, so yeah. But this came today, we're going to unbox it today, like look what it's like, possibly try out fitting as much in it as possible and give a quick, I wouldn't say review because I haven't properly used it out and about, but first thoughts on the backpack and stuff. For anybody who's interested in buying it, this is what it'll be like when you receive it. So yeah, let's open this thing. Right then, so let's take a look at what we have here. Not gonna lie, it feels better material than I was expecting so far. I haven't actually opened up the bag, but it feels pretty solid. Here we are then. I love the design, it looks really nice. Looks proper, sturdy, looks professional. TARION Pro logo. Capacity, 2 bodies, 7 lenses, adjustable height, reinforced padding, modular insert, comfortable back padding, portable plug-in, laptop compartment. Hardcover compartment, modular insert, waist bag included, tripod straps, adjustable height system, comfortable bag padding, belly belt and adjustable straps. This bit here, laptop compartment. I have my laptop over there, 15-inch Samsung Galaxy Book. I'm going to immediately see if it will fit into this compartment. Definitely fits. It is a bit of a squeezer because so many handles and stuff that you need to get in and out of the way. Perfect. Alright, so let's open it up a bit more and see if we can pack some camera stuff in it. This is quite overwhelming. There's like 1,000,001 pockets here. It is supposed to be separated into 2 compartments. So we have the top compartment and the bottom compartment. This is, I assume, is the bottom compartment, and we have this waist bag which is going to be very useful, which I can take out, sling over my shoulder, strap around my waist, have my camera on the front of me there which I can take in and out of the bag when travelling. That is going to be brilliant, as well as carrying other stuff on my back. Really excited about that, very happy that it's got that feature. Looking into this little bag, can definitely fit my M50 with the Sigma lens in there, possibly 1 other lens as well. There's the strap, and you've also got these little compartment features which pull in and out so you can adjust how many lenses you put in there and what you take in there, etc. Alright, so it's time to imagine I'm going through an airport security, I guess. I'm going to try and pack this bag as if I'm taking everything on the trip, and I don't want to have that around my waist, so I'm not going to have this spare bit with that around my waist. That's going to be in there how I'd want to go through an airport with it. So first of all, I have my camera. I'm going to grab the EOS 200D, my backup camera, in replacement of obviously the M50 which is filming right now, and pack it up with that and whatever lenses I'm not currently using on the camera. Imagine what it would be like. So EOS 200D with the tripod fits obviously nicely into here. I'm going to rearrange it a bit because I want to keep that tripod on it. EOS 200D with tripod snugly into the bag, down there, and we can put the divider in, get another lens or something in there as well. So I'm going to stick the Canon 10 to 18mm lens in there, one which I'm hopefully going to be selling soon, but that also fits snugly down there. We've also, didn't expect this, but some space to put an SD card holder or something. So I've got my little SD card pouch which you can slot nicely next to that there. We've also got little pockets on the inside of this bag here which you can put SD cards or spare batteries in. I'm going to grab a couple spare batteries. 1 spare battery into each of those little pockets there. You could also put 2 down in here as well, they also fit pretty easily into there. So that's that little pouch waist bag all packed up nicely. We also have a few dividers in the actual bag compartment down here which you can pull in and out as well. However, the waist bag is going straight in there, so I'll leave that as it is. bottom compartment all packed up then. Moving on to the top compartment, what can we fit up in here? So we have this hard shell bit there. I think that would be good for like hard drives and stuff which need a bit of protection if being knocked upon. So we've got the laptop in the back, we've got the camera and lenses and accessories. This is probably best for hard drives and ND filters, I reckon. So portable charger, ND filters, and hard drive, obviously with a wire, but I don't want to unplug my other one. In there, easy. In fact, you can fit probably a lot more than that in there. So I guess you can put your passport in this little pocket inside the bag as well. All packed up nicely in there. You also have this upper pocket here. Top compartment could be used for toiletries. So take those out, those can fit anywhere else. I've got my toiletry bag, does that fit in there? If not, no. Well, you can definitely take stuff out, we don't actually need to take the toiletry bag, so let's try and do it without stuff in it. You can definitely fit the basics in there, so shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, easily into that bit. Batteries as well. My insulin pump, or just in case I need it. In there, nice and snug, perfect. Got the bare minimum toiletries in there. You can pop down to this pocket again and stick the battery charger, leads and camera in there. If we open up this top compartment, this big bit folds out there. We've also got a little space in here. I guess that could be more travel documents. Put your phone in there or something like that. Again, in there. And we have more spaces for cameras and stuff. And I guess this is some sort of waterproof suit which the bag goes inside. Yeah, waterproof cover for the bag. That is really good. Really helpful if you're out in a wet environment, say shooting in Iceland or something, and it starts to rain. You have a little compartment there. Anyway, let's sort out these lenses, see how we would have everything arranged. Right, so the Canon 50mm f1.4 in there, nice and snug in that bit there. 18 to 55 Canon kit lens, again easily in. Tamron 70 to 300mm, easily in. The Viltrox adapter, that can literally go anywhere, it can go in one of the smallest pockets. Tempted to put it back in the shoulder sling bag area. I'll just leave it down there for the time being though. Imagine it is in the waist bag thingy. In here I have the Tamron 70 to 300 kit lens and the 50mm f1.4. I could also fit another DSLR if I wanted to take one. However, I do want to take some clothing, so it's time to see how I can fit clothing into this bag, and if so, how much of it. Because if I don't want to have to pay for another bag, I'll need to fit as much as possible into this bag. So here I have 3 pairs of t-shirts, 3 pairs of socks, 3 pairs of underpants and 2 pairs of shorts. Let's see how much I can fit in to this bag. This is kind of important for me because I want to see if it's feasible travelling abroad. You have to remember I could also wear 2 t-shirts and a jumper on the plane as well. Like, I can wear a lot for clothes and then just take them out as soon as I'm in the country once I'm through security. So it's not do or die whether it can fit in a bag, but it certainly would be useful. Because I don't want to wear 3 t-shirts through security, but yeah. So t-shirts and shorts in, then we've just got underwear and socks. Those can easily just fit over the lenses though, really. I'm not taking a coat because I'm banking on the fact that we'll be going somewhere warm. However, if it was start raining, I guess we could always go in a shop or, you know, somewhere indoors. It definitely is a squeeze, but we've got everything in. So that's the main compartment now done. You then have space for a drink spot on the side, which I wouldn't take because it's going for airport security obviously, and also straps to take any tripods or whatever, so I guess my gimbal could go on the side. I also have this little gimbal tripod which could just go anywhere in the bag. Now it's definitely not the safest thing to do with a gimbal. Like, you don't want to damage the motor or something, so you'd have to be really careful. It's just until you get in the country. You could potentially just strap it on. like if you do it through there and tighten it. So if I was to do this and go broad with just this bag, I think this would be how I was to do it. Not the safest, but I would kind of be forced into doing this, wouldn't I? There we go, that would be pretty secure to hold your gimbal there. That's actually really nice. As long as you don't drop the bag on that side, that might be really safe. Gimbal secure on that side, got all my clothes in, got all my camera stuff in, provided I only take one DSLR, which is all I really need. It would be nice to have two, but I took both to Netherlands, I didn't use them all the time. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. I can get everything I need into this bag to travel abroad with, and then obviously wear a jumper or something and jeans on the flight. So yeah, but yeah, so far the TARION bag looks really, really nice. It feels very high quality, it fits everything I need it to, and without having tried it yet, I would recommend you buy it. This is what it will be like. See you in a new video very soon. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, subscribe, turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.